Choosing the right fish species can make a huge difference when fishing with kids. Some fish are easier for children to catch and help keep them excited about fishing. Species like bluegill, perch, and stocked trout are often great beginner fish for kids. These fish are usually active, easier to catch, and help build confidence quickly. Fishing for species that bite more often helps kids stay interested and motivated. Parents don't need to focus on catching big fish when introducing kids to fishing. Small fish can create big memories and teach important fishing skills. Research local waters or ask bait shops which fish species are easiest for beginners. Choose fishing spots known for steady action instead of size or trophies. Early success helps kids enjoy fishing and builds confidence for future trips. Fishing with kids should focus on fun, learning, and positive experiences. The right fish species helps kids stay excited about fishing and the outdoors. If you enjoy simple, honest parenting ideas for fishing with kids, feel free to like and or subscribe.